Let me tell you about the coolest motorhomes ever made. These aren't just regular RVs. They're like moving mansions that cost more money than most people's houses. Furrion Elysium. Picture this, a motorhome that's like a house from the future. The Furrion Elysium isn't just any motorhome. It's like having a fancy mansion that can drive around on wheels. This thing has so many cool gadgets and fancy stuff that it costs millions and millions of dollars. Only super rich people who want the most amazing travel experience can afford this baby. The outside of this motorhome looks so cool that everyone will stop and stare. It's shiny and smooth like a spaceship, with metal that sparkles in the sun. But here's the crazy part. It has a deck on the roof. You can go up there and sit in a hot tub, hang out on comfy chairs, and get this, there's even a spot where a helicopter can land. So you can travel by road or fly in with your helicopter. How awesome is that? When you walk inside, it's like stepping into a super fancy house. The living room has the softest leather chairs that feel like clouds, colorful lights that change however you want, and a huge 75-inch TV that makes you feel like you're in a movie theater. The windows go from the floor all the way to the ceiling so you can see everything outside. There's even a magic mirror that you can touch to control the lights, temperature, and TV, just like in a sci-fi movie. The kitchen is so fancy, it would make a professional chef jealous. It has a huge fridge, a special stove that uses magnets to cook food, a microwave, and even a dishwasher, all built right into the beautiful cabinets. The counters are made of shiny quartz stone, and there's a special cooler just for wine. Every meal you make will feel like you're cooking in a 5-star restaurant. The bedroom is like sleeping in the fanciest hotel you can imagine. There's a huge king-size bed that's super comfy, soft lights that make everything look magical, and a window in the ceiling so you can look at the stars before you fall asleep. The bathroom has a shower that feels like you're standing in the rain, fancy lights everywhere, and special glass that becomes private when you push a button. Just like magic. When you're driving this amazing motorhome, you'll feel like you're piloting a spaceship. The dashboard is all digital with cool screens everywhere. There's a super smart GPS that knows exactly where to go, and the front window is so big, you can see everything on the road ahead. This motorhome runs on a special engine that's good for the planet and has enough power to take you anywhere you want to go. Volkner Performance S. Now let me tell you about another incredible motorhome that's perfect for people who think the road should be as fancy as their house. The Volkner Performance S is so special and exclusive that it costs over $1 million. It's made for travelers who want everything to be perfect and super high-tech. The outside of this motorhome looks like it came from the future. It's smooth and shiny with metal that gleams in the sunlight. It's built on a special frame that's super strong and makes driving feel smooth as butter, whether you're on highways or twisty mountain roads. But here's the coolest part. It has a secret garage inside where you can store your fancy car. Just push a button and your car slides right in or out. How cool is that? When you step inside, it feels like walking into the fanciest hotel in the world. The living room has Italian leather chairs that you can move around however you want, beautiful lights that make everything glow, and huge windows that let in tons of sunshine and make everything feel bright and happy. There's a big 50-inch TV and speakers that make everything sound amazing, perfect for watching movies or listening to music. The kitchen is designed to make cooking fun and easy. It has a big refrigerator, a special magnetic stove, and counters made of beautiful quartz stone. All the cabinets are custom made, and there's tons of space to store all your favorite foods. Plus, there's a wine cooler, so every meal can be extra special, whether you're making a simple snack or a fancy dinner. The bedroom at the back is like having your own private hideaway. There's a huge king-size bed surrounded by soft, cozy lights and beautiful wood that's been polished until it shines. The bathroom has a shower that feels like warm rain, floors that heat up to keep your feet warm, and everything is designed to make you feel like you're at a fancy spa. When you're driving, you'll feel like you're in a race car. The dashboard is all digital, the seat is perfectly comfortable, and there are smart systems that help keep you safe and tell you exactly where to go. It runs on a powerful diesel engine that doesn't waste gas, and it even has solar panels on top to make electricity from the sun. This motorhome isn't just transportation. It's like bringing your fancy lifestyle with you wherever you go. CMC Aluna. When you mix luxury with adventure, you get the CMC Aluna motorhome. The perfect travel buddy that's both elegant and ready for anything. This beauty costs hundreds of thousands of dollars and is perfect for people who want comfort, but also love exploring new places. The outside looks like a fancy yacht that can drive on land. It's sleek and shiny with bright LED lights and strong carbon fiber parts that make it tough enough for rough roads, but pretty enough for scenic drives. Step inside, and you'll be amazed by the huge living room wrapped in windows from floor to ceiling that fill the whole space with natural light. The Italian leather seats are hand-sewn and can be adjusted however you want, plus they heat up and massage you, so every break feels like a trip to the spa. The kitchen is incredible with a special oven, magnetic stove, and a huge sub-zero fridge that keeps everything super cold. There's a wine fridge that slides out when you need it, and a hidden coffee machine that makes perfect espresso even when you're camping in the middle of nowhere. The bathroom is like being at a fancy spa with marble floors, a rain shower, and smart glass that turns cloudy for privacy with just one touch. The bedroom rivals the best hotels with a king-size memory foam bed, colorful LED lights all around, and a 4K movie screen that comes down from the ceiling with surround sound. It's like having your own personal movie theater. The driver's area has 2 touch screens, GPS that knows where everything is, and seats that cool you down or warm you up depending on what you need. Under the hood, there's a 400 horsepower Cummins engine that's both strong and efficient. Solar panels and a powerful lithium battery mean you can camp anywhere without losing any of your fancy amenities. The CMC Aluna isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of fancy mobile living that gives you the perfect mix of style, innovation, and freedom for today's smart travelers. Entegra Coach Cornerstone. For people who think road travel should be like art, the Entegra Coach Cornerstone is the top of the mountain when it comes to fancy craftsmanship and cool design. Costing more than $500,000, the Cornerstone is built for picky travelers who want comfort, performance, and elegance in everything. The outside is absolutely stunning with custom paint that has multiple layers of bright colors, all protected by a special diamond film that keeps it looking perfect no matter what kind of weather you drive through. The smooth, aerodynamic shape is highlighted by LED accent lights and frameless tinted windows that give you privacy and look. Step inside and you're greeted by a huge, carefully designed living space that feels like a luxury hotel suite. The main living area has Italian leather seating with heat and massage features that you can adjust for ultimate relaxation. The special Spartan K3 frame makes the ride so quiet and smooth that you'll feel completely peaceful inside. The entertainment system has a 50-inch 4K TV, premium sound system, and even a real fireplace to make everything feel cozy and perfect. The gourmet kitchen has high-end stainless steel appliances, including a magnetic cooktop, convection microwave, and a full-sized refrigerator. The quartz countertops and custom cabinets provide both beauty and tons of storage space for anyone who loves to cook. In the back, the master bedroom has a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress surrounded by custom woodwork and LED mood lighting. The spa-inspired bathroom has heated floors, a rain shower, and double sinks, creating a private retreat that's just as good as the fanciest hotels. The driver's area has a digital dashboard, GPS navigation, and an advanced collision system for extra safety. Powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins engine and equipped with independent front suspension, the Cornerstone combines strength with a smooth handling. Presidential Series Realm FS605. For those who see the open road as a canvas of elegance and exploration, the Presidential Series Realm FS605 turns that dream into reality with sophistication and precision. With a price tag close to $1 million, the Realm FS605 represents the ultimate in luxury and refinement for travelers who demand only the finest. The outside of the Realm FS605 is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. It has a distinctive full-body paint finish with high-gloss polish that makes everyone turn their heads at every destination. Its smooth aerodynamic shape, frameless tinted windows, and beautifully designed LED lighting give off an air of grandeur, while its tough exterior ensures it can handle any journey. When you enter the Realm FS605, you'll see a huge, open-concept interior inspired by the world's finest hotels. The main living area has hand-stitched Italian leather seating, complemented by elegant woodwork and ambient LED lighting that create an inviting yet fancy atmosphere. A state-of-the-art entertainment system with a 55-inch OLED TV, surround sound, and a cozy electric fireplace enhances the luxurious feeling, making it the ultimate space for relaxation. The gourmet kitchen has top-of-the-line appliances, including a Wolf magnetic cooktop, stainless steel convection oven, and sub-zero refrigerator. Custom quartz countertops and soft-close cabinets offer both style and functionality, providing an ideal space for cooking fancy meals. In the back, the master suite shows off a king-size bed with luxury bedding surrounded by intricate wood paneling and a retractable skylight for stargazing. The bathroom has heated marble floors, a rain shower, and double vanities, creating a spa-like retreat on wheels. The driver's area combines advanced technology with luxury, featuring a digital dash, adaptive cruise control, and plush leather seating. Powered by a robust 605 horsepower Cummins engine, the Realm FS605 delivers smooth, powerful performance, ensuring every journey is as refined as the destination. STX-2 Popouts Garage. Imagine a motorhome that not only offers luxury and space, but also brings along your favorite vehicle for the journey. The STX-2 Popouts Garage delivers exactly that, combining top-tier comfort with unmatched versatility. Perfect for the avid traveler with a taste for high-end amenities and flexibility. The STX-2's innovative design and high-performance features set it apart in the world of luxury motorhomes. The outside is a vision of modern craftsmanship with a streamlined design, polished metallic finish, and frameless panoramic windows. Built with dual pop-out extensions, the STX-2 transforms into a spacious retreat at the touch of a button. The integrated garage at the back is a unique feature that lets you bring along a car, motorcycle, or even bicycles, perfect for exploring destinations with both comfort and convenience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious open-concept living space. The pop-outs create an expansive living area lined with leather seating and elegant woodwork. With floor-to-ceiling windows and ambient LED lighting, the STX-2 offers an airy, bright environment that feels as upscale as it is comfortable. A 50-inch OLED TV, surround sound system, and cozy fireplace complete the entertainment area, providing everything you need for relaxation after a day of adventure. The gourmet kitchen has premium appliances, including a Gaggenau magnetic cooktop, full-size refrigerator, and quartz countertops, ensuring that every meal preparation feels effortless and enjoyable. In the master suite, a plush king-size bed waits, surrounded by LED mood lighting and a retractable skylight that turns every night into a stargazing experience. The bathroom, complete with heated marble floors, rain shower, and double vanities, offers a level of luxury typically reserved for five-star hotels. The STX-2's driver area combines high-tech navigation, digital displays, and ergonomic seating, making driving this motorhome a breeze. Powered by a high-performance diesel engine and supported by solar panels and lithium battery system, the STX-2 is as sustainable as it is powerful, ready to tackle long journeys without compromising luxury. RC12M. What if your journey could feel like a private retreat, yet carry the strength and endurance of an off-road champion? Enter the RC12M, an elite motorhome that merges rugged toughness with luxury. Designed for those who seek both adventure and refinement in one powerful package. Priced in the upper six figures, the RC12M stands apart with its bold construction and unparalleled amenities, ready to conquer different terrains while maintaining the highest standards of comfort. The RC12M's outside is a robust masterpiece crafted with reinforced steel and aluminum, offering durability that is as unyielding as it is sleek. Its matte black finish and dynamic angular lines give it an imposing presence, while the adaptive LED lighting provides visibility and style in all conditions. Equipped with high-clearance wheels and hydraulic suspension system, the RC12M is built for off-road freedom, making remote landscapes as accessible as city streets. Step inside and the RC12M reveals a surprisingly spacious, elegantly appointed interior. The living area has leather seating with heating and reclining options, surrounded by large, bullet-resistant windows that provide a panoramic view of the surroundings. The interior is adorned with teak wood finishes and stainless steel accents, creating a modern yet cozy atmosphere. The kitchen is designed for convenience and style, equipped with a dual-burner magnetic stove, convection oven, and compact fridge-freezer combo. Every cabinet and storage space is optimized for efficiency, providing ample room for extended trips without sacrificing elegance. In the back, the master suite is as durable as it is luxurious, featuring a queen-sized bed with memory foam surrounded by soft ambient lighting and soundproof walls for restful sleep. The bathroom offers a full-size shower, stainless steel fixtures, and custom vanity, blending functionality with high-end design. The driver area is an adventurer's dream, complete with intuitive navigation system, night vision cameras, and digital control panel that makes handling the RC12M's power seamless. Powered by a turbocharged diesel engine with high torque, the RC12M is engineered for long-distance reliability. Solar panels and advanced battery storage system allow for sustainable off-grid living. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. What if luxury had no limits? The Marchi Mobile Element to Palazzo Superior is a bold answer to this question, crafted for those who believe that fancy living should travel with them wherever they go. Known as one of the most exclusive motorhomes in the world, this masterpiece costs close to $3 million and offers a mobile lifestyle that merges the elegance of a luxury suite with the thrill of the open road. The outside of the Palazzo Superior is unmistakable. Its sweeping curves and smooth silhouette are inspired by race cars and private jets. The eye-catching metallic shine, illuminated by expertly designed LED accents, catches the light as it glides by, turning heads with its futuristic form. The automatic entry gangway offers a grand welcome, setting the stage for the luxury that awaits inside. Once inside, the attention to detail is striking. The spacious living area has wraparound panoramic windows, Italian leather seating, and polished wood paneling, creating a perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. The unique Sky Lounge, accessible by a retractable staircase, transforms the rooftop into an exclusive terrace complete with heated floors and mood lighting for a one-of-a-kind relaxation experience under the stars. Every feature in the Palazzo Superior has been carefully chosen to ensure that even the pickiest travelers feel at home. The kitchen has premium appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, magnetic cooktop, dishwasher, and built-in wine cabinet. Ideal for gourmet dining on the road. The master suite offers a king-size bed paired with a fancy spa area featuring a rain shower, skylight, and handcrafted wooden finishes, allowing for complete relaxation. In the driver's seat, a digital dashboard with touch controls and comfortable air ride seat makes navigating this huge motorhome feel effortless. Powered by a Volvo engine, the Palazzo Superior delivers both power and performance, while solar panels and high-capacity battery allow for sustainable travel without compromise.